Nothing's upcoming ear-in-ear, wireless earbuds recently appeared in a set of renders, and we now have an even more comprehensive look at the next-gen TWS buds. Nothing will announce its new wireless earbuds on Thursday, April 18th. The new set of images were shared by Ishan Agarwal and give us our best look at new buds. Nothing Ear will also debut a new color variant that evokes a certain yellow handheld. According to leaked renders and images, both earbuds will include the same clear, square case as earlier models. The Ear and the more compact Ear will be available in black and white, with the latter also available in a Playdate yellow variant that applies to the case and the earbuds themselves. The Ear will feature an IP54 rating for the earbuds and an IP55 rating for the case. The higher-end earbuds, meanwhile, will carry an IP54 rating, while the case gets IPX2 splash resistance. Battery life has also reportedly been boosted slightly for the newest Nothing generation. The Nothing Ear's battery will last 7.5 hours with active noise cancellation turned off, and 33 hours with the case. The Ear will offer 8 hours of playback with ANC off and 38 hours with the included case. Both earbuds will include a fast charging feature that will give you 10 hours of usage from a 10-minute charge. According to the leak, Nothing Ear will run a €149 price tag, the same as Ear 2, while Ear will be €99. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.